Many homeowners and residential real estate investors eventually ask the same question. Should I consider buying commercial real estate? Commercial property can be an excellent way to build wealth and generate income, but it operates very differently from residential real estate. And today, I'm going to explain commercial real estate in simple terms for residential buyers so you understand how it works, the major differences, and whether it may make sense for your long-term financial strategy. My name is Joe Luca, Realtor, host of the Joe Luca Real Estate Show, and my goal with this channel is to help buyers and sellers make smart, informed real estate decisions that create the best possible outcome for their future. All right, number one, what is commercial real estate? Well, when people hear the phrase commercial real estate, they often picture large office buildings, shopping malls, big power centers. But commercial real estate in reality actually includes several types of properties, such as multifamily buildings with 5 or more units, retail properties like storefronts or plazas, office buildings, industrial properties like warehouses, and mixed use properties where you have retail on the first floor and apartments up above. Interestingly, many residential investors begin their transition into commercial real estate through small multifamily or mixed use buildings. This can combine residential rental income with commercial tenants. In markets like Rhode Island and Massachusetts, these properties are often located in traditional downtown areas and neighborhood business districts. Now, the biggest difference is value is based on income for commercial properties. The single biggest difference, that's what it is. Residential property values are usually based on comparable sales or comps. Commercial property values, on the other hand, are typically based on income and profitability. The more a commercial property generates, the more income, the more valuable it becomes. Investors analyze this using metrics like net operating income, NOI, capitalization rate, cap rate, cash flow, and return on investment, or ROI. This means that commercial investors often evaluate property like a business decision, not a housing decision. All right, number three, financing is different. This is a major difference. Commercial real estate loans typically require larger down payments, 25%, have shorter loan terms, not 30 years, and focus heavily on the income produced by the property. Lenders often evaluate both the borrower's financial strength and the income performance of the property itself. This is why it's very important to work with experienced local lenders and advisors, because when you enter the commercial real estate market, you want to have a strong team working with you. All right, fourth is the risk and opportunity. Commercial real estate can offer some significant advantages: higher potential income, longer lease terms with the commercial tenants, and opportunity to increase values through better management. But it also comes with risks. Vacancies can impact income more dramatically. Economic cycles can affect retail and office demand. And commercial leases and contracts are definitely much more complex. So for many investors, the key is education, careful analysis, and working with professionals who understand the market. For some homeowners and residential investors, commercial real estate can be an excellent next step in building long-term wealth and diversified income. But like any investment decision, the right strategy depends on your goals, your risk tolerance, and the opportunities available in your local market. If you're curious about commercial real estate investing in Rhode Island or Massachusetts, I'm always happy to have a conversation and help you explore whether it makes sense for you. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel where I regularly share insights about real estate, whether it's buying, selling, investing, and how housing decisions can impact your financial future. I'm Joe Luca, and my goal is to help you make informed real estate decisions that create the best possible outcome for you and your family. Thanks. Take care.